Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if your coupons are not working or showing up. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here we can go ahead and open up this main page. From this home page, let's go and take a look at the plugin section at the left side of the screen where we can find all the plugins that we are using for our WooCommerce store. So let's go and take a look at what to do if our coupons are not working. Here we have an article on Cosmo Labs on how to go and fix this kind of problem and the reasons that it might be causing it. So sometimes you're going to be having unpublished coupons or some usage restrictions and limits. So what you're going to do is find the plugin you're using right here for your coupons. Most often it's just going to go and be your WooCommerce plugin. So as you can see, here is the plugin. Once you've installed it, just open it up. It's going to appear right here at the left side of the screen where you can open up its settings, and from the settings you can go ahead and access the coupon section. From the coupon section, you're going to go ahead and enable everything that needs to be enabled, input the coupon, and then it should start working. But if it is still not working, you can go ahead and follow this article right here to take a look at some of the solutions you can try out. But what I suggest you do is to go ahead and contact customer support. Contact customer support, explain what the problem is, and they are going to walk you through step by step on how to get started fixing it and how to get coupons working on your store. If you need more help, go to the WordPress forum and post your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.